Today, I'm showing you how to fix a touchpad that's not working on Windows 10 or 11. Let's get started. Step 1. Open Device Manager. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager from the menu. Step 2. Update mouse drivers. In Device Manager, find and expand mice and other pointing devices. You'll see one or more devices listed here. Right-click on the first device and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search for and install the latest driver. Repeat this process for each device under Mice and Other Pointing Devices. Step 3. Expand Human Interface Devices. Now expand Human Interface Devices. Scroll through the list and look for HID-compliant touchpad or anything with touchpad in the name. Right-click on it and select Update Driver. Click Search automatically for drivers. Let Windows search for updates. Step 4. Manual driver selection. If that doesn't work, right-click the touchpad device again and select Update Driver. This time, click Browse My Computer for drivers. Then, let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. You'll see a list of compatible drivers. Select HID Compliant Touchpad and click Next. This reinstalls the driver manually. Step 5. Uninstall and reinstall driver. If your touchpad still doesn't work, we'll completely reinstall the driver. Right-click on the touchpad device under Human Interface Devices and select Uninstall Device. Confirm by clicking Uninstall. The touchpad will disappear from the list. Now, click Action in the menu bar at the top, then select Scan for hardware changes. Windows will automatically detect your touchpad and reinstall the driver. You should see the touchpad reappear in the device list. Step 6. Restart your computer. This is a crucial step. Restart your computer for all changes to take effect. After restarting, your touchpad should work properly. Additional tips. If your touchpad still doesn't work, check if there's a function key, usually FN plus F6, F7, or F9, that enables or disables the touchpad on your laptop. You might have accidentally disabled it. Also, make sure the touchpad isn't disabled in Windows settings. Go to Settings, Devices, Touchpad, and ensure it's turned on. And that's it. Your touchpad should now be working perfectly on Windows 10 or 11.